WT0426 Maricel Nanugan, 28 years old, married, high school graduate, 4 years domestic helper in Saudi Arabia. Please tell me something about yourself.
I'm Maricel Nanugan, 28 years of age, came from Sitio Paho, by Quezon City, and I'm a single parent, and my work experience is 4 years in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper.
How many children do you have?
I have one daughter,
How old?
7 years old.
So tell me something about your domestic helper experience in Saudi Arabia.
It's so hard, tired but happy.
What was your duties and responsibilities?
Hard work.
Your duties and responsibilities during your work in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper.
My duties and responsibilities, do my job well.
What did you do?
I washing clothes, washing dishes, iron the dress, all around.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes.
So, what are those Chinese foods?
I know how to cook soup, mushroom soup, chicken soup.
Do you have any hobbies?
My hobbies is singing, dancing, reading books.
What else?
That's all.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes.
Why?
Because I want that baby will grow up, and I want that baby's I will take care of the baby to grow up and teach the baby with a good manner.
So, how about elderly?
Elderly, I will take care also.
So, who do you prefer to take care of?
I will take care if the elderly is have a disabled or anything. I will take her by their
Who do you prefer to take care of, elderly or newborn baby?
I will prepare well. And
Okay, so do you know how to do bottle feeding?
yes.
So, can you tell me how to do?
First, sterilize the bottle,
Okay.
and second is clean the bottle. Third, prepare the formulation for feeding, and third, feed the baby.
Okay, so if the baby is still keep crying or she or he has a fever, what will you do?
First aid and check everything, or what the baby check everything, and check the diaper, check the stomach, make first aid before you do something.
So, do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes.
Okay, can you please sing me one song?
I love you, you love me, we are happy family, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Want to say you love me too.
Okay, thank you. So, aside from singing, do you have any other talent?
Yes, dancing.
Dancing also? Anything?
Joke.
So, if you feel homesick, what will you do?
Will make busy with myself, or do something so that you can think anything.
So, if one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract and go home?
No.
So, what will you do?
I will call first my family. If the situation is good, I will not go there, but I will give financial for the medication.
So, how long can you work in Hong Kong and why you choose Hong Kong?
If my employer like me, I will stay long, and And I choose Hong Kong because I think Hong Kong is a great country, and I think all the people there is good, and also they treat good with the Filipinos people.
So do you have any message to your soon-to-be employer?
Yes.
What is your message to your soon-to-be employer?
I message with my employer. So if my employer choose me, and if my employer like me, I will stay long for them, and I will work hard, or I will do my job well.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Maricel Nugan. And good luck to you.